If you're ready to get your small laundry area decluttered and organized, you've come to the right place. First, let's head to the Dollar Tree where you're going to see a whole new spring line of colors in these double-sided snack containers. We're also going to pick up some of my laundry organizing favorites. These double-sided snack containers have a little salad dressing compartment, which we won't be using this time, but we're going to fill both sides with whatever it is that you love to use in your small laundry room. Today I'm showing you $45 Tree products that are going to make doing your laundry easier and maybe just a little bit more fun. Fragrance boosters are great for the laundry, but they're also great to just keep a fresh scent wherever you like. I'm showing you how I am using these Dollar Tree organza bags that you can find in the party section and just putting it in the bottom of a trash can. Cover it with a trash bag. Every time you open that can, you're going to get a burst of fresh scent. If you like to use bleach but don't have any space to store a large gallon jug of it, these bleach tablets are wonderful. Laundry and cleaning seem to go hand in hand. I use these denture tablets as a hack to clean my toilets without much effort. Drop a few tablets in the toilet, let it do its job, and then come back and easily scrub away the dirt. Dollar Tree has a brand new, beautiful line of office organizers. We'll pick up one of these pen organizers as well as a couple of these baby toothbrushes. These toothbrushes have a great handle for scrubbing stains, and this holder holds all those little doodads you need when you're doing the laundry and cleaning. If you like to use laundry pods, but you don't have anywhere to store them, try this Dollar Tree organizing hack. This Cricut dupe tool from Dollar Tree is great for removing labels from all their containers. And now using this index card box, I have a wonderful little storage system for my laundry pots. I recently discovered Dollar Tree's washing machine cleaner. It includes 3 packets per box. Use the system from once a week to once a month, depending on how many loads of laundry you do, just to keep that drum fresh and without stains. My little secret to Dollar Tree laundry organization is this simple Nimbot printer, and I will make sure to provide you a link to that below. Dollar Tree sells pencil boxes and they're perfect for laundry organization, but I prefer these more sturdy Walmart version. You're probably asking yourself why I save and organize lint, and it's because it's a great backyard fire pit fire starter. Let's pick up 2 of these candy jars from the Dollar Tree party section. If you use microfiber or reusable towels in your cleaning, here's a great system for storing them. Keep the dry ones and clean ones in one side, and then when they're dirty, transfer to the other side and you'll be ready to wash them when you do your next load. Today I'm showing you 45 of my very favorite Dollar Tree laundry organizing products, but we are going to put this all together, so keep watching. I finally found this pump lid to a jar attachment at my Dollar Tree and I was so happy. It was like finding a little unicorn. There are no instructions on how to put this together, so you might want to go back and watch this a couple of times, but it is a very sturdy little pumper and it pumps through pretty thick liquids. This is Dollar Tree's new Dawn Power Wash dupe and it works really well, but I do not like the smell. It smells kind of like pepper to me. I prefer to use Dawn Platinum for food and grease stains because this removes them inexpensively and really well. I emptied the whole bottle into my screw top lid jar and added another bottle of water. This is a great DIY stain remover, especially for food and grease stains. Next, we'll pick up one of the clear plastic spray top bottles from the laundry section. If you've been watching Skip to My Life for a while, you know I love using Murphy's oil soap for a surface cleaner. Because you only need a little of this Murphy's oil soap, this bottle lasts me about 6 months, and then I just dilute it with purified water. This makes a great spray surface cleaner to dust off any of those areas in your laundry room. Let's put all these Dollar Tree laundry room organizing hacks together in one wheeled cart. I picked up a hanging shoe organizer from the Dollar Tree as well as the command strip dupes. We'll start by cutting off the bottom row of the shoe organizer and attaching it to the narrow end of the cart with those Velcro strips. To make it really sturdy, I glue gunned those Velcro strips to the shoe organizer, and that way they're going to hold really tight to that fabric. I placed 3 of these strips at the top of the shoe organizer and 2 at the bottom. So as I wheel that cart, the shoe organizer is going to stay put. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a big welcome. I'm Shannon, a small space organizing expert, and I am here to teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. I bought this cart at Michael's Craft Store, and I'll leave a link to that below, but you can really use any rolling cart and just alter these ideas to fit the one that you have. To clearly label each of those shoe holder pockets, I'm using these round wooden pieces from Walmart craft section. I spray painted those white, and now I'm labeling them. Next, I'm going to glue gun each of these onto the pockets in that shoe holder, and I'll have extra space to store so many things for my laundry organization and cleaning supplies. I'm a big fan of the Bona mopping and sweeping system, and I'll show you how that works, as well as leave a link to it below. I'm gradually going to more chemical-free cleaners, and Bona is safe for children and pets. I also love the fact that I can wash the mop head and sweeper head and reuse them. I bought 2 pairs of cleaning gloves from the Dollar Tree. I used one for dirtier jobs, and I put my little mark on those, and then one for cleaner jobs like surfaces. Oh, but we're just getting started with this magic cleaning and laundry organization cart, my friends. I picked up one of these broom wall organizers at the Dollar Tree and scored it. Now, hopefully you can see those lines, and then it just snaps apart once you've scored it with a straight edge. The adhesive backing that's already in place is nice and strong, so I didn't need to reinforce it. I'm placing one broom holder on each side of the narrow end of the cart, and the hook goes in the middle. Did you know that that little hook swivels up and down? I didn't until I started playing around with this. So that feature is going to help us store a dustpan and clip it in place without any fear that it's going to fall off when we spin the cart around. There's much more to come, but don't forget to comment below and let me know which one of these little hacks is your favorite. If you're downsizing your home, moving, or just trying to make the most of your space, you've come to the right place. I would love to have you subscribe to Skip to My Life. This system fits not only Dollar Tree broom handles, but just about any cleaning appliance with a handle you might have. Rolling carts are one of my favorite accessories for organizing small spaces. Dollar Tree is famous for all these accessories that are compatible with their broom handles. These are a few of my favorites for cleaning. For $1.25, these Dollar Tree long-handled dusters are just as good as the ones you'd pay multiples of that for. If you struggle to clean the walls of your shower, here's an idea you might want to try. Pair this rubber scrubbing and squeegee tool with the Dollar Tree broom handle. Spray your favorite cleaning agent on that shower wall, and then use a scrubber tip to scrub it and the squeegee tool to remove it. You have a squeaky clean shower without any wear and tear on your back or knees. It's back to Dollar Tree for more bling to our cleaning and laundry organization cart. I found this 2-pack of magnetic hooks in the office supply section. They have a sturdy hold on this metal cart, and you can use them for so many things just at arm's reach. Small space laundry organization and cleaning supplies seem to overlap so much that this little cart is going to save you time, money, and space. Don't forget to add one of these magnet-backed tins from the Dollar Tree for loose change in pockets and any other little things you might find. It's time to put this whole system together in our cart. I'm using a handled basket from the Dollar Tree on the top tier of that cart to hold some of these Dollar Tree organizing favorites. If you want to make a system really similar to the one I have put together that uses every square inch of space on this cart, you can replicate it by buying this Michaels cart that I will have linked below. My favorite detergent for my sensitive skin and also my small space is 7th Generation, and now I'm adding my stain remover pump as well as my surface spray bottle. The second tier of this cart will hold the clean and dirty rag compartments, and these are a tight squeeze, but they fit perfectly on this particular cart and they will not be rolling around. I'm really excited that I have one place to store all my laundry organization and my cleaning tools, and I can wheel it around wherever I need it. I'm going to be using a couple of the new Dollar Tree Lucite containers with handles. One is going to hold my wool dryer balls. The bottom shelf will hold my clothing steamer along with some distilled water. To corral that cord, I am using one of the Dollar Tree cord organizers from the electronics section. I'll use the remaining space for some of my cleaning favorites, especially those from Dollar Tree. I love these new Lucite bins because I can see everything that's there and they keep it from rolling around in the cart. This new scrub-free foam cleaner is a dupe for Sprayway. It smells wonderful, and for me, that is a must. I love products that are multi-purpose, and you can use this one for most surfaces in your bathroom. You can find simple squeegees at the Dollar Tree, and you can use that to clean both your mirrors and your countertops. Follow up with a microfiber cloth, and you will have shining, clean surfaces that only took you a few minutes to clean. Skip to My Life just recently passed 100,000 subscribers, and I want to tell each and every one of you thank you so much for helping us hit this milestone. My goal in creating this channel was to give you the tips and hacks to downsize that I wish I had had. There's space for the foaming cleaner and also for the pen and pencil organizer on that bottom rack. And now I am adding those laundry pods as well as some vinegar, which also comes in really handy for laundry and cleaning. Two more of my favorite products are this Quick Shine floor polish as well as my Murphy's oil soap. Oh, but we're not done, my friends. I promised you $45 Tree products, so here are a few more of my cleaning and laundry organizing favorites. These adhesive trash bags fit perfectly on the other side of our rolling cart, and they're just the right size for those little tags and things you need to throw away. This Dollar Tree dish scrubber brush is great for the kitchen, but it also works really well for cleaning those grout lines. Check out the Dollar Tree cleaning section for my favorite Clean Life bamboo cleaning cloths, as well as these microfiber towels. Not only does Dollar Tree carry old-fashioned clothespins, but they have these newer moisture absorbers and even the brand name. Dollar Tree mesh full-size laundry bags as well as their 3 zipper compartment laundry bags cannot be beat, and they're great for travel as well. Pick up one of these underbed Dollar Tree storage pieces and use it to corral your sheet sets. I'll link below to these compatible sheet organizing straps. If you don't have much space for laundry baskets, these stackable plastic baskets are wonderful for sorting laundry and transporting it from one area of the house to another. Here's the big reveal of my new laundry organizing and cleaning cart in action. This is going to make cleaning our small space so much easier, and I'm even coming up with a place that's going to be out of the way to store it. If you don't have any space for a larger cart like this one, you can use the same idea and separate it into a handled caddy for laundry and for cleaning. There were a lot of trade-offs for us when we moved from a larger home to a much smaller one, but one of the things that I love is that it is so much quicker and easier to keep clean. I love systems like this one that not only make those daily and weekly chores doable, but they make it a little bit more fun and a little bit more attractive. For me, keeping a clean, organized, and decluttered home is a form of self-care and mental health. I've let go of so many things I once thought I could never live without, and instead traded for the freedom of living a simpler, downsized life. Coming up, I am going to be transforming this hall closet to house my cleaning cart, and as you can see, I've organized it, but it has totally gotten out of hand, so stay tuned. If you loved today's video, you're going to want to watch this one next. And do not forget, my friends, today is not the end of your story, so don't give up.